Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A27, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add widgets to the home screen. Okay, it's really easy. All you need to do is to hold on an empty space on your home screen and then go to widgets down below on this bar, and in here we have a list of all widgets that we can add. As you take a look, this list is pretty long. Also, for each app that is on the list, we have a few styles of the widget. For example, for Google we have 4 available widgets. Let me show you. They also have different size. And now let's say I'll pick this one, simply tap and then click on add. As you take a look, it has appeared. Also on the edges we have sometimes this icon, and we can change its size a little bit. Now to save it, tap on an empty space again, and now as you take a look, the widget has been added. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.